Hi, in this video, I will show you how to update your limit on Capitec app. So, there are a few types of limits that you can update like card limit, daily spend or ATM, debit order limit, online payment limit, or daily withdrawal limit. The Capitec app lets you change most of these directly. So first, open the Capitec app and log in with your PIN or biometric. Then, from the home screen, tap Cards. If you have multiple cards, select the one you want. Tap Manage Card Limit, sometimes shown as Card Settings. Then, after clicking Card Settings, you can click Limits. This section will let you control your spending and withdrawal limits. Now, you will see options like Daily POS Limits, Daily ATM Withdrawal Limit, Online Spending Limit. Simply tap the type you want to update and enter the new limit amount. Confirm the change and authenticate. Limits adjust immediately or within few minutes. Now, if you want to change the debit order limit, you can simply navigate to Transactions, tap Debit Order, select the debit order and look for Limit. Tap Update Limit and enter the amount. Not all accounts show this. It appears when a debit order limit is set. Now, if you want to change online or tap limit, go to Cards, tap Online and International Usage and change the maximum spend amount allowed online. This affects websites and foreign payments. Now, if you want to change contactless, tap Limit, go to Cards, select Contactless, set the maximum amount you can tap without PIN, and this helps control spend security. Important notes: you cannot increase limits above what your bank profile allows. If you need a higher limit than the app allows, you must visit a branch or contact Capitec support. Online limit increases may require verification. Withdrawal limits are usually per 24 hours. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.